Hello students, ecologists want us to estimate the mean biomass of a forested region. So the ecologists divided the region into plots measuring 1 square meter each, and they selected a random sample of 9 plots. Now that's the value of my n, that's the sample size, and that's 9. The mean biomass of the 9 plots was 4.3 kilograms. So that's my sample mean. So that means that is 4.3 kilograms for the entire 9 plots, and the standard deviation was given to me as 1.5 k. So that's the value of sigma, that's SD, that's given as 1.5 kg per meter square. Assuming all the conditions for inference are met, which of the following is 95% confidence interval of the population mean biomass in kg meter per square? So the population mean biomass is denoted as mu, and that is equals to the mean biomass, which is given as 4.3, plus or minus the z value, and it's sigma over root n. So the z value at 95% of confidence interval is given as plus or minus as 2.306, and into the sigma value, which is 1.5, and it's divided by root under of 9. So the answer that we got for is 4.3 plus or minus 2.306 into 1.5 over 3. So E is the correct option for this question. Thank you, students.